Hey guys, we're gonna do a quick walk through the plant. We're in Lincoln, North Carolina, for those of you who do not know. Beautiful Lincoln, North Carolina. Today it's about 75 degrees. First couple days of spring here. We had some snow the other day, so some of you people up north don't really have sympathy for us, so that's okay. We admit that we're not the toughest when it comes to cold weather. But we have a beautiful 21 acres here that the plant is located on. A detached corporate office building, and then our production facility, which we're going to go walk into and take a look at. We have a production floor of about 30,000 square feet, and we do all of the assembly, engineering, testing, and development here at the facility. So it is a true 100% made in America product. And of course we do outsource a couple things here and there, but we are working on getting everything on this property. So come on inside, let's take a look. So up at the front, you're gonna see at the beginning of the plant, we bring everything up front, all the raw materials, unassembled parts, and we start doing assembly, working all the way to the back of the plant where we ship the product, get it ready for shipping. Yeah, we have right now, I think we have 16 or 17 full-time employees with the company, and that is office personnel, that's production employees. And again, it takes every single person, even John standing behind the camera today, to make it happen. Again, all the assembly, all the testing, and everything is shipped here from Lincoln from start to finish. You can see like one of the cabinets in its raw, unbuilt form. This is kind of the early stages of the process, and this is one of the high moving items that we sell. So we have the composite material, we do stainless steel, we do carbon steel, we'll do it all. It doesn't matter. Even if it's something that we don't have, we'll build it if it's a custom product, because we do have engineering on the property. So that's something we can handle. You can see over here, we kind of skipped it real quick. This is the micro hone assembly area. We've been making a big push for these units, probably one of the highest demand units that we have today since the beginning release of the product in 2018. And yeah, I bet 30 units go out a week out of the facility here, which for 1 and 2 guys to do assembly, that's a lot. That's a lot of product. So they're very efficient. And I know you guys, some of you guys are waiting on product and have waited on product, but bear with us, because we take our time, we do it right the first time, and we get you an accurate product that's fully assembled and tested. That's the key. Moving on though, we have a couple different workstations in the plant, depending on who's here at what given time. They normally have their own work areas. Sometimes they'll tag team it. Sometimes we'll make a big push when we come to do international orders to get a lot of product out at one time, and we kind of group everything together. But come on back, we'll take a look at the welding area, fabrication area. So back in here, this is where we do a lot of fabrication at. We'll weld all the units in-house here, stainless steel, carbon steel, it doesn't matter what it is. We do it here. We do a lot of product improvements. A lot of development work happens in here too. And this is some of the area that we do the welding in. So a lot of sweat's actually poured out in the plant here. I mean, these guys work really hard for you guys to get you a really good product the very first time, something that they want to take home. That's kind of our motto. If they wouldn't want to take it home and use it, then we would want to ship it out to you as a customer. Come on back, we'll look at the control panel area where we put all the control panels and where the magic happens there. So come on back. So over here is like the control panel building area. This is where we have the panels built, and then they go on to get put on the machine and do the assembly and testing. But this is the very beginning stages. So you get all your materials, components that come in and get put into a panel that looks very nice and neat and presentable, and something that's easy to troubleshoot later on down the road, which is important. Come on back, we'll take a look at the warehouse real quick and see a little bit of what goes on in the warehouse and then in the shipping area. We'll see if we can catch some people goofing off. So back here we have some people goofing off. in the warehouse area. No, they're actually troubleshooting inventory, keeping up with the inventory system. But this is where all the product is stored for the plant. And of course, we have everything labeled in here. We work with over 100 vendors throughout the country, getting supplies, getting parts and bits and pieces. And it really shows you the grand scheme of things when you look at manufacturing, because I mean, we're working with over 100 different companies buying products. So we're helping 100 different companies actually grow their business as well, because if we grow, they grow. And if they help us grow, yeah, it's just a win-win for both parties. But we buy a lot of product. I mean, millions of dollars of product a year gets spent building these machines that you guys get to put into your business, your garage, whatever it is. You guys get to buy a lot of this product. And of course, nobody ever gets to see it in its piece part form. And it's really hard to understand how it all comes together and the magnitude behind all of it. But it truly takes an army to do everything here and to get it done right. So back here, this is where we do some of the shipping at. Right now we have some micro-hones getting packaged up. Gina's over here to take care of all of our parts orders and abrasive that we ship out to you guys, any warranty items. All the magic happens back here in this shipping area, getting it packaged and ready to go out the door. Probably the one of the bigger parts of the business is making sure stuff goes out quickly and of course accurately. And so we pay really good attention when we get back to this point, and product can actually go out the door safely to you. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Stay tuned, we'll do a little bit more here and there. We'll introduce you to some people in the plant, and you guys can get to see an American-made company kind of behind the scenes. And make sure if you guys like the content, smash that thumbs up button. Throw us some comments below. We'd love to see what you guys have to say, maybe what you want to see next. And yeah, continue to promote our content on the social media platforms. We love seeing what you guys have to say about us out as a group. And yeah, we love to keep promoting American manufacturing. Thanks for watching.